What if I told you the future is brighter than you think? Meet Project Horizon, where AI meets human potential. Our mission? To use AI for global poverty alleviation and economic empowerment. Through AI-powered education, we're unlocking opportunities for people everywhere. From remote villages to bustling cities, diverse communities are coming together to learn, grow, and succeed. But it's not just about technology. It's about people. We're ensuring everyone has an equal shot in this digital age. Imagine a student in a rural area accessing world-class education through AI, or a community using AI tools to create sustainable businesses. That's the power of Project Horizon. We believe in a future where technology serves humanity, not divides it. Together we can build a more equitable world. Join us in making this vision a reality. Visit our website to learn more and become part of the change. Project Horizon, empowering minds, transforming futures. Let's shape the future together.